Hello friend, welcome to my channel Life and Travel. This video I have captured at late night in Bangalore, and this is just to show how Bangalore road at night. So it's now about 3:30 a.m. I am coming from Bangalore International Airport. My flight was late, so I'm traveling with my family. So right now I was at Outer Ring Road. From there I'm going to Inside Road, and I'm going towards CV Raman Nagar. So entire road was full. You can see so many cars are there in the main road. Even this service road here is also not very empty. There is multiple cars. So for safety reason, I took airport taxi. I have not choose Ola or Uber. So airport taxi means it's a Mega or Meru or similar car. It's little expensive, but it seems to me it's safe, and they travel from only on main road, the toll road only, which sometimes Ola or Uber, to save some money, they take some village road. So it's better to avoid this road. So now I have almost reached at the CV Raman Nagar near Kerpuram, and you can see many cars, even bikes also there. So going towards my house, it's now almost 3:30 a.m. You can see people are there, so it's pretty safe, I would say. And I would suggest not to take any other route except the toll road. So many times Ola or Uber driver try to insist to use different road to save some money, but it's better to stay only on the main outer ring road and this toll road. And I always prefer this airport taxi. It's little expensive. It cost me about 1130 rupee from airport to Kagdaspura. It's about 44 kilometer from airport. So just to show the different road, I have taken few clips so you can understand how this is. Not much difference from day to night. And a good thing is that road is relatively free, not major traffic is there. I am just crossing DO township, CB Raman Nagar. So still you can see this type of narrow road, still car are there, private car and cabs also are there. So thank you for watching my video. I hope this helps you to understand how safe Bangalore is at night. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get update on next videos.